What's up guys, welcome to today's video. This video is going to be very exciting because Leif and I are on our first ever cruise. First of all, Leif is holding the vlog camera right now. Show yourself.
It's me.
The reason Leif is holding the vlog camera is because I have an off-the-shoulder swimsuit and I can't like lift my arm up farther than right here. We're doing a little project with Carnival and they invited us on their 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise. So we are making stops at Puerto Vallarta and Cabo. So today is just a sea day, so we're just on the ocean all day. We will arrive at Puerto Vallarta soon. I did a little Instagram poll and asked if you guys had ever been on a cruise before, and I think it was like 68% or something like that said they'd never been on a cruise. So I thought that was interesting because most people that I talked to have been on cruises, but I had never been. But it has been a blast so far. Something that I love is that all the food is included, so you can just like go get food whenever, and they have these like molten chocolate lava cakes that we'll have to show you guys later. They're so good. So we just got ready for the day. I'm just in my swimsuit and I put my hair up in a pony. So we'll show you guys our balcony right now. We'll take you guys on like a little mini tour of the ship. We're just gonna take you guys along on our adventure on the ship and also off the ship at those places I mentioned before and all the fun stuff we do. So here is the balcony.
That's 1,000 feet in the air.
No, it's not. This is our ship. Okay, so this is the Lido deck. A little pool right here. Then they have this off the grill place that's open 24 hours. And this pizza place is always open as well. And then there's this huge screen up there. They've been playing movies there every night. So that's really fun. So here is a little pool and 2 jacuzzis. This is on one side of the ship. That other pool was actually at the back of the ship. This is the front of the ship with these water slides and this jacuzzi. Okay, right here is where I took my latest Instagram picture. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here so you can see it. I was just sitting right there, laying out in the sun. Leif got some pizza. I bought this captain hat for protection from the sun. I forgot all my hats, and I actually think it's so cute. We're just eating, sunbathing. It feels super good outside. The weather's really, really nice. The sun came out, and feeling good. We just got back to our place, and we are in our workout clothes, and we are gonna go to the gym. It's right next to the spa, which we went to yesterday, and we got massages, which were
muy bueno.
So we are gonna go work out, even though we don't really feel like working out, but we know once we get there, it'll be good.
Jaci.
What?
The waves are 1,000 feet tall.
No, they're not. Leif told me that on our floor right now, we're 1,000 feet above the ocean. We're probably like, what, 40?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay guys, this is the gym. This is the ocean view. So pretty. So they have a bunch of treadmills and then like free weights over there and some machines. And I think they even have like a cycling room or like a for like fitness classes in here.
Got done with our workout, and it was actually really weird running on a treadmill like on a moving ship, especially when the waves are kind of like they're bigger today, so the ship would be like this and then we'd be running on a treadmill, and so it'd go up and then like down, and you couldn't
running on an incline, and so you'd be going faster, and then all of a sudden it would be going downhill and you'd be like running super fast.
Yeah,
it was weird,
but it was a good workout. Jaci killed it. Looking hot.
Oh, I'm sweaty. Here it is, the lava cake and the ice cream. You guys have to get this if you come on a Carnival cruise. Guys, there's dolphins swimming right below us.
Oh, jumped way out.
Really?
Yeah.
We made it to Puerto Vallarta. We made it to Puerto Vallarta. Is that how you say it? Puerto Vallarta. Is it Puerto or Puerto?
Why not?
We made it to Puerto Vallarta and we just got a rental car. So we are on our way right now to a little place that I actually don't exactly know how to pronounce it, but I think it's Sayulita. It's like a cute beach town apparently. It's nice because you can either stay on the ship or get off and explore just like around the area, or you can get a rental car. You just have to be back on the ship the following day. I think we have to be back tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. So we basically just have like free range, so it's fun because you have a place to come back to and stay, or you can just do your own thing. So we're gonna come back to the ship tonight and like sleep there, but we're just gonna explore for the day and take you guys with us. Excited, Lafers?
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too.
It is the cutest little colorful, most adorable place, and we are stopping for a very late breakfast. So we stopped at this place called The Anchor. We've got smoothie bowl, the avocado toast with an egg, and a strawberry smoothie. It's like a crispy kind of bread or something.
It's a little cripsy bread.
Look how fun this area is. So colorful. There's lots of shops and restaurants. I'm gonna cry, you guys. Look at these puppies. They are the cutest things I've ever seen. At this little face. I'm gonna die. So cute. We just stopped by a little taco truck. Leif got a shrimp taco. 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. I actually think I'm gonna go back.
Really?
Get another one.
So I changed into this white jumpsuit that I love, and then I'm finally getting use out of this cute wooden bag that I bought before our trip. Test it out. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Wait, I don't know if I've ever had coconut water. I don't hate it. I wouldn't like drink it all the time, but
6 out of 10?
maybe a 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. That's an
No,
F.
I'll go with a 6.
Let's talk about this little town. It's a hip little town. Lots of younger kids, which is nice.
Yeah.
They're all active and they like surfing and skateboarding, and younger families, nice families. Everyone has been really nice.
Yeah,
Lots
everyone's
of
been
people
super
wave to
nice.
us. They answer our questions when we have them.
We like it a lot. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day, day 2 in Puerto Vallarta. Look at these cute little balconies. All these plants. We got breakfast. If you do not know the dish, please do not order it. Got it?
I don't know it.
Don't order that. Do not order that one. Food overload. Leif got his classic Eggs Benedict. We got some fruit. This is also Leif's. He couldn't decide between French toast and the eggs. And some hash browns.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I
Made
do?
it to Cabo.
What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me.
Look at all this different fruit. So we were at breakfast and I had this picture saved on my phone just from Pinterest, and it was a little fruit stand in Cabo, and I thought like the odds of finding that exact fruit stand were probably slim because I don't even know how big Cabo is, but we're in like a just kind of like the touristy area where the ship ported. And so we just got done at breakfast, and I asked the waiter, like, do you know where this fruit stand is? And he was like, oh yeah, just 1 block that way and 1 block that way. We found the fruit stand, the exact one that I wanted to go to. So we got a mango with lime juice on it. Do you like that Mexican like salt, or the like, what is it called?
I can't remember what it's called, but I don't really like it.
I don't either.
Everyone in high school would always have the suckers.
Yeah.
And they'd be licking it all day, and I just
What
couldn't
is
do
the
it.
name of it? I'm gonna have to like put the name of it right here. Now we're going on this little bike.
Where we came from, if my hands are empty, hey, do you need me go back? I don't wanna go alone. Go back.
We're about to go parasailing. This will be my first time parasailing. Leif has been parasailing once, I think, before. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm excited. We're getting on this boat right now.
The seals.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Leif
you
said
ready?
it's kind of freaky at the beginning.
Just a little different.
I'm
Then you get
excited.
up there and you just coast and look around and stuff.
We're gonna risk it and bring our vlog camera with us. Not to
And we're off. There's the boat. All right. I'm kind of scared to like selfie this. Parachute. It's scary holding this camera. I do not want to drop it. Really quiet up here.
Yeah, it is pretty quiet up here. Here's the coastline. We're so high, but you can't even tell. There's the boat, it's tiny.
I think we're 1,000 feet.
Stop using that joke. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. Gotcha.
Okay guys, our cruise is coming to an end. We have another full sea day today, so we're just on the ship, headed back to California right now.
We did want to mention that Carnival now has a port out of Long Beach, so that is where we're cruising back to currently. And I think it's like, we just have this one day at sea and then we get back tomorrow morning. But a huge thank you to Carnival for partnering with us. We had so much fun on this cruise. The staff have been so awesome. Part of their job, I guess, is to remember everyone's name. And our names are kind of hard to pronounce and to remember, so we've been so shocked that they've all like remembered our names and just been so nice and so accommodating. So we had a blast.
The whole experience has been really fun. It's kind of nice to just sit back, relax, and let the crew take care of everything, and you have all the meals that you need, and it's a really simple and easy vacation. You don't really have to worry about too
Planning
much.
that much.
Yeah, and then the stops were super beautiful, super fun, great weather, especially during this spring break.
That is going to be it for our video today, and we hope you guys enjoyed it, and we have some fun stuff coming up, so make sure to subscribe, and we will see you guys soon. Bye guys.
Bye.